Open your VN app. Click on new project. Save. Import your old video. Import your video. Import your video. Next. Delete. Plus sign. Click on plus. Photos or videos. Import that same video. Import that same video. Click on that video. Look for fit. On that same video you imported lastly, check blending. Look for exclusion. Now save the video. Save the video in your gallery. Export. Go back again, new project, save. Go back to that, import your first video. Import that same first video you imported before. Next, click on plus sign. Photos. Then import the video you saved. Import that video you saved. Go to fit. Click on it also. Go back to that first video. Go to blending. Scroll blending. Screen. Click on screen. Click on that on the second video. Click on second video. Go to filter. Go to adjust. Exposure supposed to be +7. Click on that exposure. +7. Depend on what you want. Contrast +47 or 8 or 49, anyone you want. Brightness -7. Saturation +100. Sharpen +84. Depend on what you want. This is the first video. Now this is the final video. So have you seen the changes? Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and wait for more videos. More videos is coming very soon.